Now, dear children, it's fun time. Look at the picture carefully and fill in the blanks with in, on, under, behind. Then color the picture too. Okay? So let's begin. Children are playing dash the garden. Children are playing in the garden. Yes, so we will write here in. Second, a child is hiding dash the tree. A child is hiding behind the tree. ओके ट्री के पीछे ही छुपा है ना बच्चा, इसलिए हम लिखेंगे behind. A child is hiding behind the tree. Third, a girl is sitting dash the mat. कहाँ बैठी है गर्ल? मैट के ऊपर. So, a girl is sitting on the mat. Right? Very good. Now let's see the fourth one. The sun is hiding dash the clouds. The sun is hiding behind the clouds. Yes, the sun is hiding behind the clouds. Fifth, an old woman is taking rest dash the bench. An old woman is taking rest on the bench. ठीक है, bench के ऊपर ही बैठी है ना old woman. That's why on. An old woman is taking rest on the bench. Next, ducks are swimming dash the pond. Ducks are swimming in the pond. ठीक है, मतलब pond के अंदर. Ducks are swimming in the pond. Now, birds are flying dash the sky. Birds are flying in the sky. Yes, birds are flying in the sky. Now, a butterfly is sitting dash the flower. A butterfly is sitting on the flower. Flower के ऊपर बैठी है. That's why on.